Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at College Park Elementary School in Irvine, California. This is my first visit to their campus, and I got to have two assemblies today right here in the MPR, not just for their students and staff, grades 1 through 6, but also we had some of the IVA students too, the IUSD Virtual Academy. Some were in person, some remote. And the primary focus though for both programs was on bullying. The sub-theme was look at the heart first. One of the slides from the assemblies you can see on the screen. And so the idea is that all of us know that our heart's as big as our fist, and if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds. We can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so negative and mean that it stays on their heart in a bad way for the rest of their life. So we always have this choice, right? Each and every day, and no matter what we're going through, have gone through, will go through, we know that a big reason why bullying happens is that hurt people, but we can always choose to rise above that hate and become the healed people to help heal other people, right? That we can show that same kindness that was shown to us. And it's easier said than done, right? A lot of times it's easier to push the pain on someone else, but this world needs, not just a lot more kindness, but a lot more acceptance and inclusion and compassion. And the students really got that, right? The teachers as well. There's a lot of head nods today, a lot of pin drop moments. So I know something's hitting home. And I always say that if something touched your heart, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift, but how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So we look at someone's heart first. We see them for this before anything else. And we see them like we see our best friend, right? Because of course, when it comes to a best friend, we don't care about the name brand of the clothes, how much money they have or don't have, the house they live in, the car their parents drive. It all comes back to the heart. Seeing them for that, but also for this too. And this is a concept I bring up in every one of my assemblies because it's so important to me. But all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. This M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down. W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? Because there's been a lot of people I've spoken to over the years that sometimes don't. And if we can be that light to their heart, then that's huge, right? And the idea too that bullying is a repeated action over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. The things that aren't bullying, just those, again, one-time words or actions, we know they can have the same impact, right? So do we choose to uplift or tear down? Hopefully we choose the former, and we really try to make this world a better and brighter place every day by how we treat ourselves and others. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day, getting to come and meet all of you, and hope you have a great rest of the school year, and hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.